Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal, and in this video, let's talk about how investors in balanced advantage funds under the monthly dividend option or the dividend option or any other equity-oriented funds with the dividend option, how they should handle the dividends being taxed at slab rate from April 1st, 2020. I'm writing this, I wrote this post and I'm making this video in response to a comment received in my dividend tax illustration post a couple of days ago. CB Ramesh Kumar says, since I have deposited a lot of money in a balanced fund monthly dividend, please advise me what to do after April 2020. I'm absolutely confused. My broker informs me that since STT is removed, I might get more money as dividends. This is absolute bullshit. That broker does not even understand the difference between securities transaction tax, which is very much still there. That's the tax that is invoked when you sell equity mutual funds, and dividend distribution tax. STT is anyway some 0.002% or something. It's trivial. Forget about that. Dividend distribution tax for equity oriented funds is 11.6% at source, and that has now been removed and you have to pay tax as per slab. So if you are in the 0 or 5% slab, this could be beneficial provided you are not taking too much risk, because these funds are extremely risky. When the market crashes 30-40%, your money will go for a toss. In fact, if you look at the NAV movement of ICICI Prudential Balanced Advantage Fund since the inception of the monthly dividend plan, the topmost yellow line is the direct plan growth option. The next line is the next line is regular plan growth option, and then the orange line is direct plan monthly dividend option, and the blue line is regular plan monthly dividend option. Notice the difference in the NAV. All this difference has been paid out as monthly dividends out. And earlier the dividends were tax free, but after April 2018 it became there's a DDT of 11.6% introduced, and now it has been made as per slab. So the attractiveness of this product has been consistently going down, and now it has practically gone for most people. Please switch out from your regular plan monthly dividend option to direct plan growth. You can do some switching now. Since we are at the close of the financial year, you can do some switching between now and March 31st, and immediately in April you can do some more switching, and they will not count for that 1 lakh tax-free limit. Please note that in the dividend plan, most of the growth will be given away as dividends, so your capital gains tax will be anyway low. And even then, if you have some capital gains tax, you have the 1 lakh tax-free limit, so you can happily and safely switch out from the regular plan monthly dividend option. Do some switching before the end of this financial year. Do some switching in April, and get rid of the monthly dividend option and switch out to direct plan growth option of this fund, same fund, or any other fund that you wish to invest in. Anyway, the tax liability is going to be the same. So that's what I wanted to say in this video. Please don't buy monthly dividend options from risky funds like this. See, getting monthly dividends from an arbitrage fund is different. Getting monthly dividends from a debt fund is different, because the volatility is less. Here, the volatility is extremely high. Two days ago, I talked about when monthly dividends from arbitrage and debt funds will make sense. But in this case, please don't do it, because the person says he's 63 years old and no pension. And if he puts in significant amount of money in such a risky fund, if the market tanks 40%, you are in serious trouble. So please don't do this. I will show you the extent of AUM present in these funds. In fact, I had gone to AMFI site and got the average assets under management for the October to December 2019 quarter. The full numbers are here, and I was really astonished by it. 12.1% of the total AUM of ICICI Balanced Advantage is in the regular plan monthly dividend option. 60% of the total AUM of HDFC Balanced Fund is in the AMC, of course. And it's time to say goodbye to the dividend option, I would say, for most people, especially retirees. It makes no sense from a point of view of risk. Forget about taxation. Primarily from a point of view of risk, it makes no sense at all. Please say goodbye to it and get rid of the relationship with your broker or distributor as well. So, bye-bye.